I'm Eric Carter with Blue Frog Plumbing and Drain of San Antonio. What are the pros and cons of pedestal sump pumps? The pedestal pump has a longer lifespan than the submersible pump, lasting up to 3 times longer than a submersible pump. However, they are not built to handle solids of any kind. Because the parts of the pump are more easily accessible, they will be less expensive and easier to fix and maintain. However, this can be a safety risk for children and pets. There are benefits and challenges in either sump pump option, so it is best to have a professional help you determine which is best for your family needs. Give the professionals at Blue Frog Plumbing and Drain of San Antonio a call. We're here to help.